Hi guys, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can connect Google Maps in our website. So just come to Google and just type Google Maps. Click on this Google Map links, right? And then in the search bar just type the location which you want. Let's say I want this Lucknow location only. Okay, so it is now showing in the map. Next thing is I'll come and click on this share button, right? And then I'll click on this embed a map. I'll get a link over here, right? This iframe. I'm going to copy this HTML code basically, and I'll come to my Visual Studio Code, and in the body, just after this heading, right? I'm going to paste it over here, right? This iframe tag, and you can see that in the source this link is available, right? Okay, now that's all. Next thing is I'm going to open my live server and I'll come back to my browser, and here you can see that this was my heading, how to connect Google Maps in a website, and this is my map, right? If you'll click over here, so you can view the map in satellite mode as well, right? If you'll click back over here, so you will get the map like this, right? Also you have the option to zoom in and zoom out, right? So okay, I think you have now understand how to connect a Google Map in a website. And guys, if you like this video, then I request you to hit the like button on this video, and if you are new on this channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe this channel so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. Thank you. That's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.